Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, my boxycharm just came earlier and I want to unbox it for you guys and try on most of the products. Maybe all of them. Probably not. I don't know. But yeah, got my boxycharm. So I'm about to unbox this bad boy for you guys. And, okay, so I got my little knife so I can open this little bitch. How the fuck do you open this? Just, slice it open without breaking the products inside. Last month I got like 2 products that were kind of dented, so thank you post office or boxycharm, whoever the fuck fucked it up. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's see. Here's the little card. Oh my god, there's brushes. I totally forgot there's brushes this month, bitch. Okay, the first thing on here, it says the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, which retails for $45. Oh, I would never pay that much. Just saying, guys. But so I like boxycharm. All the way at the bottom. That's helpful, but it's the first on the list. That doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, well this is kind of nice actually. This is what it looks like. This box is so bulky for boxycharm. Yeah, you did get shattered. I'm so happy. Oh my god, that's a big ass mirror that has a little paper slip on it. Get off. So satisfying taking that off. Look how clean that is until my fingers touch it. That it's going to be disgusting. So we got 2 highlighters, one over here and one over here. A brightener, which you probably use for the inner corner or brow bone or something. Contour, finishing powder that's shimmery. Not trying that. It's mad shimmery. It's like a highlighter. What just fell over there? That scared the shit out of me. And there's a blush, which I really like this color. I'm definitely using this. So that's that. I'm going to show everything first and then try everything on so it's a little easier. We have a situation. I forgot there was a face mask. So I'm going to use this in another video because I already have face makeup on. And I don't want to wipe it off because I just did it. But it's the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Oh my god, these are beautiful as fuck. I think I'm going to try this over the weekend. Maybe make my boyfriend do it with me. It's funny when he doesn't. Because he thinks it's painful. It's really not that bad as long as you put a thick layer on your face. But yeah, this is... I didn't read any of the info for any of this stuff, but you guys kind of get the gist of everything. So. What does this retail for? $34 for a face mask? Okay. What's it look like? I want to know. I know it's pink. Because this is like a rose theme month. Which you would think they would have done that for February because it's Valentine's Day. But no. They do it for March. Okay. That's too much on my hand. I just wanted to see what it looked like. Since I'm not using it right now. Oh, it's so thick and glowy. It's like a highlighter, but it's not. It's a face mask. Okay, next thing that's in here, and my box is dented. Like I said, that was gonna happen. Cool. The Moda brushes, powder and soft glow kits. Retails for $29.99. A lot for 2 brushes. Looks like this. I'm gonna open this. I haven't done unboxings in a long time. I don't want to use this, but I don't know how they're gonna go for what's. These are really fancy looking. Oh, they're so soft. Oh my god. This is more for like a powder brush, I think. This is, I don't know. I don't know if I like the handle. Like, I don't know. This is a cute edge brush though. And this goes with the theme of boxycharm. This is so cute. Good face brush. Face powder brush. The next one is this one. I think this is a highlighting brush because it looks like it. But it's kind of large for a highlighting brush. Get out of the package. Yeah, that's a large for a highlighting brush. I don't know what you could use this for. I don't know, you could. It's very flimsy though. I don't know. Use it for something. These are cute though. Definitely be trying these out. I always need more brushes in my collection of a trillion brushes I have. So, yeah. The next thing in here is a liquid lipstick by Ofra, and I love Ofra. I got one of their liquid lipsticks in boxycharm before, and I fucking loved it. But this is metallic, and I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm still gonna try it for you guys. So, it's the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Monaco, and it retails for $20. These are really cute though. Like, look at the packaging. Okay, let's see how this looks. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand first. That is very thick. It smells good. Oh, that's metallic. Holy moly. By the way, the face mask is still on my hand, so if you're wondering what that is, that's that. But that's what it looks like. It's kind of shimmery. Not crazy, but it's a pretty color. Just, I don't know about metallic lips. These are like, not my favorites. So, it's this mascara from Manakadar Beauty. Hey, I said it right. I went to fucking open this, and I forgot there was plastic on it, so, you know. Your girl's not the smartest, but okay. Dude, this packaging is fucking everything now. It's a rose gold, like, fucking... I'm in love with this. Oh god, what does the wand look like? I'm so scared. Oh god, that was so clumpy. Ugh. So gross. Okay. Let's try to stick that back in there. Oh, why is it so clumpy? Oh no. This would be good. This is what the wand looks like. Interesting looking. Got a lot of mascara stuck to it. But we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna start with the first product since it is a face palette. Alright, so I'm not gonna use the big brush because this is way too big for like contouring. I'm just gonna use my regular BH Cosmetics brush that I have and take the contouring shade and see if it sucks. I'm glad they didn't give me the darker palette because I'm not dark skin tone. And I would have oh my god, that was way too much. I was trying to see if it smelled like anything. Don't judge me, guys. Oh, that actually blended out really fucking good. It looked way too harsh when I put it on at first, but okay. I think I got a new contour I like. Not going on muddy either. It looks kind of harsh on camera, but it's really not that bad once I blend it. It's actually really fucking nice. Just saying. Don't need much at all. And this boxycharm this month, like, did anybody else have a problem where it's fucking late as fuck? I normally get mine. I used to get it like this time, and then it started coming really fucking early, like the 8th, 9th of the month. And it just came today. And today's like the 20th. What the fuck? It was to come like the last week of March, but like close enough still. I don't know what the hell was going on with boxycharm, but yo, I have a mirror right here, but like I like my lighted mirror. Yeah, I don't know why boxycharm was so late this month. It really pisses me off though, because I pay $22 every month now because they upped the price for some fucking reason. I love that contouring powder. My nose looks snatched as fuck, even though I have a big ass honker, but it looks great. Okay, I want to try the highlighters. I think this one's going to be way too dark for me, so I'm going to try this one on my skin tone. I think that's a little bit more my skin tone. But I'm going to swatch both for you guys. Here, I'm going to take this, because I didn't swatch them. Oh, I don't know. They actually both look dark. Maybe I can use a brightener on top and it'll help it. I don't know where to put this in my hand. Yeah, I don't know which one to use. They look way too fucking dark. Let me swatch the other one. Okay. I don't know. Why do they look super similar to me? Is it just me? Like, they're really pretty, but like they look mad similar. I'm gonna take the brightener. Ooh, that one works way better. Is that even a highlighter? Or because these look way too fucking dark. This is the one on, what is it? The left. That one. And that one's on the right. I don't know which one to use. They look way too fucking dark, and that's the brightener. Like light skin tone, bitch. What the fuck, boxycharm? Okay, let's try this out. Do I want to use this brush? I'm not sure. I'm gonna try. It's mad flimsy though. Like, look at it. Really, 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 really flimsy. I'm gonna take. I don't know what shade. That looks too dark. I'm gonna take this shade. And maybe put the brightener on top because, dude, this doesn't even pick up all the products I need. What the fuck? Nope, not a good highlighting brush, just saying, guys. Highlighter also after this for my Jeffree Star highlighter, so let's try this again. Maybe let's try the other side that's clean. Might be a better idea. Tap in here. This almost looks like Jeffree Star cough. I don't know. Okay, taking my Morphe, what's it called? M510 brush. I got it right, guys. Aren't you proud of me? There's a hair stuck to that. This is not that bright. It's a little. I think if I use the other shade, it'd be too dark. So I'm not even gonna bother. It's not bad, but it's not to my potential of glow that I like. It's okay. Maybe let's try the brightener on top. Maybe it'll help. Let's try. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Brightener. I like that. Definitely use it from my inner corner. That looks so cute on top. Like, I don't know if you guys can even tell. It looks so pretty though. Okay, I'm not mad about this highlight. Okay, I got the highlighter on. If you guys can't even see, I don't know if you can, but she's actually pretty cute and I'm not mad about it at all. So I'm gonna take my blush now that's in here. Put a little tap tap. Tap it out of the brush because I don't want to look like a clown. Even though blush is real cute, so. Okay, it's either just me or she's not that pigmented, or maybe it's just because I tapped out the brush too much. But I like some blushy cheeks sometimes, so. Okay, she's not bad. Not bad. Looks kind of crazy on camera, but in person, trust me, it looks really nice. Okay, so I'm going to try out the mascara in like 2 seconds, just curling my chode eyelashes. Because they're so fucking short and straight. That's why I wear falsies. But I wear them too much, so maybe they're a little fucked up. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna try this weird ass fucking mascara because I just love the packaging and, you know, we're here to try stuff on for this video. So, I don't like this mascara. It looks like fucking fibers, and it probably is. And I don't like fiber mascara. Did I even read, like, what it's supposed to do? No. Without leaving any clumps behind, bitch. Look at this wand. Are you sure? Like, it looks clumpy to me. Okay. I'm scared to try this. I'm really gonna get like all over my face, so let's test this. Even though I'm gonna put lashes on right after, so no one even know the difference. Okay, she's not bad, but ow, maybe if I had nicer eyelashes, it would look even better. Line my lips with just random ass lip liner. Okay, I'm gonna take the Ofra liquid lipstick. That's mad fucking thick. I don't know how I feel about this at all. Probably gonna wipe it off after. Who knows? Oh no, she's actually mad comfy. Never mind. Okay, once you put it on your lips, it's not that bad actually. It's kind of sheer actually to me. Maybe just me. I don't know. It looks way darker in the tube when you look, but it's more like a rosy type of color, which I kind of like. It's not that metallic either. I thought it was gonna be worse. Not bad actually, guys. He's not bad. Okay, this liquid lip is not bad. I actually really like it. It's matte comfy, but it just looks a little sheer on the top unless you just need to put a second layer, which I might do because I kind of want to wear it. See how long it lasts. So I finished my makeup, and these are these are bold face lashes. What the fuck are they called? Next level lashes. These are so pretty. Probably shouldn't wear them as a natural makeup look, but like, you know, I don't care. Cover FX, oops, face palette. Oh yeah, the names are on the back. I'm so stupid. I didn't even say the names. Could just say the names. Okay, yeah, this shit I love. The mirror's nice and giant, and my whole face fits in it, so that's a good thing. I would not pay how much this is though. Just, I don't know. I feel like I could get something a lot cheaper, probably for the same thing, but it's still really cute. The highlighters are really pretty. For what's in here, the blush is really cute. Contour, I'm in love. Face powder, or finishing powder, like, bitch, it's shimmery. You see it? It's shimmery. That's not finishing powder. Okay. No, but other than that, it's a really good fucking palette, and I recommend anybody getting it. This is not good for highlighting. It's too flimsy. Maybe for a under eye setting powder brush, which I don't really do often with the brush. I normally use my Morphe sponge, but maybe one day I'll try it. One day I'll use it for something, because these are really cute brushes. I didn't try this because I already had powder on my face, but I will try this soon, because this is a nice dense brush for powder to stick to. So, but these are really soft and cute. I don't know about for, how much were they? Oops. How much were the brushes? $29.99 for 2 brushes. I don't know. They're okay. They're really cute though. I'm a sucker for the rose gold packaging. It's like really cute. I did put this on my hand and peel it off. I can't do it on my face because I already got makeup on, but if I do this weekend, I will give you an update on my Instagram or something, but saw that one come in. I will try this soon because this is actually a good ass size for how much boxycharm is. Like, this is a good size they give you, so not mad about this at all. Haven't tried it on my face, tried it on my hand, and there was hair on my hand. Like, that's a terrible fucking idea to put a peel off mask on your hand, but I'm stupid. So the liquid lipstick, it's not bad. I think I have to add another layer on top because it looks mad fucking sheer compared to the bottom. So, but it's not bad. It's like a rosy tone color, like a pink rosy tone, which is perfect for the theme. I'm glad they picked this shade. Actually really cute. But it just kind of deceiving from the bottle. It just looks darker to me. Lastly, this mascara by Mana Kadar Beauty. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, my lashes on the bottom look really fucking cute, but it's smeared, so. Yeah, so these are all the products for the month of March for this month's boxycharm. Anyways, thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Comment down below anything you want about the video, whatever. Yeah. And see you for the next one.